Want to learn how to turn this mushroom into a forager's barbecue sandwich? Okay, you've got to at least be intrigued by the prospect. This is a sulfur shelf chicken of the woods mushroom. I found it on my hike yesterday, and after checking it for bugs and deeming it okay, I took it home and now we're in my kitchen. Welcome to my kitchen. And you know, because I foraged the protein and love stressing myself out, we're gonna make a forager's barbecue sauce too. For the base, I made a tomato sauce out of some organic homegrown tomatoes, and we're adding in some crushed field garlic I foraged. Well, I put the garlic into the dehydrator, and now the entire house smells like garlic. I've made a huge mistake. Along with some foraged fruit molasses, berries, sugar, it's raw, water, thyme, heat, strainer, pass the cold plate test, ooh, she ready, foraged fruit molasses. I also added spice bush I gathered last fall, salted ramp leaves I gathered this spring, fermented serviceberry syrup, and chili peppers from my garden. I shredded the chicken of the woods and I'm gonna add the sauce. I am so excited! Ta-da! Amaranth coleslaw, a pickled radish from my garden, and y'all, it's gone.